QUT Student Login. How to log in, sign in QUT Student Account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into QUT or Queensland University of Technology student account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.qut.edu.au. You'll be led to the official webpage of QUT. In order to log in, tap on the login option you see on the top right of your screen. You will now be led to the login portal, so go ahead and fill in your login credentials, that is your username and your password. Just in case if you do not remember your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password option and go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your login details. Once you are done entering your login details, tap on the login button, and with this you will be successfully logged into Queensland University of Technology student account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.